Now the third problem is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, then prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c is equal to 4 cos a cos b sin c. Solution. First of all, we have to take the identity as a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. This is the given condition. Now a plus b is equal to, take this c to that side, 180 minus c. Take sine ratio both sides of 1. I will take this as 1. Then sine of a plus b is equal to sine of 180 minus c. 180 minus theta is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So sine of a plus b is equal to sine c only. Now this we can take 2. Now take cos ratio both sides of 1. That is, cos of a plus b is equal to cos of 180 minus c. 180 minus c is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So cos of a plus b is equal to minus cos c. We can write this one as cos c is equal to minus of cos of a plus b also. Now you can take that one is the 3. Now we have to show that this is equal to this. So I will take the LHS. That is, in LHS we have sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c, which is equal to solve this we have to know the formulae. The formulae are, I am writing the formulae in one side. Formulae, it is in the form of sin c plus sin d, which is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 is the formula. And next formula we are going to take is sin 2c. Formula is 2 sin c cos c. Now in this place, 2 sin c is 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2 minus sin 2c, which is equal to 2 sin, take the 2 as common, cancel numerator and denominator 2, we can get a plus b. And here cancel, take the 2 as common and cancel, then we will get a minus b. Minus sin 2c formula is 2 sin c cos c. Now which is equal to, we know that from the given sin a plus b is equal to what? Sin c. So in a place of sin a plus b, I will replace sin c. 2 sin c cos a minus b minus 2 sin c cos c, which is equal to, here and here we can take the 2 sin c as common. Then cos a minus b minus cos c. Now 2 sin c into, so in a place of cos c, I will write minus of cos a plus b, cos of a minus b minus into, in a place of cos c, I will write minus of cos a plus b. This is from 3 and this is from 2. Now which is equal to 2 sin c cos of a minus b, minus into minus plus cos of a plus b. Now here again use the formula. The formula is cos c plus cos d. Formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. That is 2 sin c. Now in a place of c we have a minus b and in a place of d we have a plus b. So 2 cos a minus b plus a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b minus a minus b by 2. So which is equal to 2 sin c 2 cos of minus b plus b cancel 2a by 2. Cos of plus a minus a cancel minus 2b by 2. 2 will be cancelled, and we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. It is most important. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now 2 sin c, 2 cos c, and cos of minus b is cos b only according to this condition. So 2 2s are 4 sin c cos a cos b, which is equal to, we will write in a alphabetical order. So 4 cos a cos b sin c is the solution.